What is that?
Granddad, right?
Hmm?
Bobby.
Got him. You can sleep on him like a pillow. See? See?
You beating the bear up? Okay, get up off the floor before you get dirty. Come on, get up. Get up. Stand up. Amelia, you're not the bear. She's doing what he's doing. He's a stuffed animal. Get up. Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Yeah.
Millie, pick the bear up. Put him back on the shelf. Put him back on the shelf.